10mm and 20mm wheel spacers. Which size is best for your Land Rover Defender front wheels? Let's get it. Wheel spacers sit between your hub and wheel, pushing your tires outward. Benefit: a wider track width for better cornering, room for larger tires, and better rugged, plus what we all love. BONOSS wheel spacers are forged from aircraft-grade aluminum, CNC machined for precision, and include hub-centric wings for a perfect fit. But size matters. Let's compare. Starting with the 10mm, this gives a subtle but noticeable change, about 10mm extra with the precise. Perfect if you want a cleaner look without going too extreme. Now, the 20mm spacers. This extra 10mm makes a big visual difference, keeping that ready for anything right. Off-road, the wider stance adds stability on an even terrain. Installations the same for both sides. Clean the hub, bolt the spacer on, and torque the space. Always use high-quality wheel spacers, cheap spacers, not worth the risks. Safety first. When choosing the safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. There are many steel and aluminum. Considering the strength and lightweight need, aluminum alloy is more suitable. Both 60626 and 705T6 are high-performance aluminum alloys. They feature good corrosion resistance, weldability, workability, and mechanability. And the forged aluminum spacers provide stronger in-heart resistance, less fatigue strength, longer service life range, and stronger corrosion resistance, much safer than those cheap casting spacers. The second factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for smooth and reliable ride. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the beveled with the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact the other part, you need high tolerance. So, which wins? If you are daily driving or want a conservative upgrade, go 10mm. If you are off-road focused and crave that broad look, 20mm is your jam.